Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to connect the Nano 2 receiver in autonomous mode to FieldGenius for Android. So what I've done is I've opened up a project here, and I'm going to head to my select instrument here on the left. That's going to open up my instrument selection screen. You can see I've got a couple profiles here, but what I'm going to do is click on Add Profile. I'm then going to select GNSS Rover and make sure I have ComNav as the make and the model as RTK IMU for my profile name here. I'm going to change it to the Nano 2. I'm then going to hit done here and create. That's going to open up my GNSS rover profile. I'm going to hit setup communication and then search next to my Bluetooth. You can see here I've got a device with the same name as the serial number on the bottom of my receiver here. I'm then going to hit connect. That's going to initialize the Bluetooth pairing to my receiver, at which point I'm going to be brought back to my GNSS rover profile screen, and I'm going to now select press to set up corrections. And in my case, since I wanted to set up an autonomous rover, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this on no RTK and click continue. For my setup antenna height, I'm going to open up that menu and you can enter the height of your instrument. In this case, I've measured mine to 1.8 meters to the bottom of antenna mount. Obviously, if you're using the slant height mark, make sure your measure point is changed from bottom of antenna mount to the slant height mark option. But I'm going to leave mine as is here and select OK. That's going to bring me back to my GNSS or rover profile menu, at which point I'm going to want to select the setup active tolerance option. That's going to bring in all of my tolerances. There's a couple different options here. There's RTK fixed, topo, control, and autonomous, which are the three generic options. In my case, I'm just going to leave this on RTK fixed topo for the point of this video. Obviously, if you're doing some autonomous surveying, you'd want to edit that to make sure that your tolerances are good enough for the autonomous roving of your antenna. When I have that selected, I'm going to hit OK in the bottom right corner. That's again going to pop me back to the GNSS rover profile. I've set up everything I've needed to for today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on done in the bottom right corner. If I go to my survey screen, you can see I have an autonomous position in the bottom right corner. I've got some standard deviations, horizontal, vertical, and some PDOP. And that is everything for today's video. That is how you set up the Nano 2 as an autonomous rover inside of FieldGenius for Android. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.